How to get an image ID or decal ID in Roblox. This tutorial shows you how to find and copy any decal asset ID directly through the Roblox app on your Android device. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. After that, tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Create to open the Creation section. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. In the next step, tap on Store to open the Roblox Asset Store. Following this, make sure the Decal tab is selected at the top so you're searching specifically for decals. Once done, type in the name of the image or decal you're looking for in the search bar. From here, browse through the results and tap on the decal you want. At this stage, if you want to use the decal in your game, tap on Get Decal to add it to your inventory. After this, if you only need the asset ID, tap on the three dots next to the decal and select Copy Asset ID to copy just the ID number. Finally, if you need the full link instead, tap Copy Link and paste it directly into your Roblox Studio where you want to add the decal. And that's it. If this Roblox guide helped you find and copy a decal ID, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.